everyone. This recording will go over Project 5 of Business Math A. So we're going to start off with the first page. So keep in mind, these questions are not the ones from your project. However, they are very similar. So I'm going to show you how to do it and hope that you can do it on your own as well. So the first question, so we're given a loan table comparing different loans. So we call these loans A, B, C, and D. Information about those loans are on this table. What we're going to do is answer these questions using the information on here. So this question, first one says the loan with the smallest total amount paid is loan blank. So we're looking for the smallest total amount paid. That means we're going to look at the bottom row. So looking at these four numbers, let's go ahead and compare. Which one is the smallest amount? So looking at it, only one loan has an amount lower than 500. That is loan D. So all you have to do for this one is write in the letter of the loan. In this case, it is D, so go ahead and write D in there. Next question says the loan with the smallest monthly payment is blank. So we're looking for monthly payment. This time, we're going to go ahead and take a look at this row right here. The monthly payment is the green one. So what we're going to do is take a look at these four numbers. Which one is the smallest one? So we have $1,727.01, $1,462.15, $1,477.72, and $1,658.19. So the one that has the smallest monthly amount is $1,462.15. So that is loan B. All we're going to do is go ahead and write in the letter B. Alright, so far we already have two down. Next one says the loan with the with the largest total amount paid. So the largest means the most, right? So we're looking at total amount paid. So again, we're looking at the bottom row, the last row. Which one has the highest? So we know D had the lowest. We got that from part A, or question 1. Now let's take a look at the other three. Which number is the greatest? Looking at it, you'll see that loan C, which is $531,979.66, is the highest. We're going to go ahead and put the letter C because that represents loan C. Alright, number 4. The loans with the longest terms are loans blank and blank. So looking at the longest terms. Longest terms mean how long are we taking it out for? Which one is going to take you longer to pay back? So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the terms in year. So we have 25, 30, 30, 25. So which one is the greatest numbers? That's going to be the two 30s. So that means you want to write B and C. So that's all that you have to do for that first part. Now, the second part says, if you had the choice, which loan would you select and why? So you need to select which loan, A, B, C, or D. And then you have to justify why you chose A, B, C, or D. So this right here, there's really no right or wrong answer. It all depends on what you write as your justification. So remember, you have to write at least two reasons. So I'm going to give you an example. I could say I'd rather pay or take out loan D because D right here has the smallest total amount paid. At the end of the day, when I'm done with my loan, I want to pay the least amount. Okay, so that's one justification. So you could write that in there. Alright, so remember, you need to do two reasons why you chose the loan that you chose. So that's page 1. Page 2 is what we call a Venn diagram. Again, for your page 2, you will be comparing renting and owning. So it could be renting an apartment, a house, whatever. All right. We're doing one that's called leasing and financing. Very similar to renting and owning. So leasing and financing for cars, right? So how a Venn diagram works is the two uncommon area, so here and here, are what you would write for the differences. Where they overlap, the two circle overlap, which is inside here, that's what they have in common. So take a look, that says in common. The left side is going to say leasing, the right side is going to say financing. So for your project, if you go and look at your lessons, it kind of tells you some differences. So use that to fill it in here. You are expected to do at least fill out 10 boxes. It could be 5 from the first, 2 in the middle, and 5 to the right, or however you want to mix it up, but you need to write 10. Alright, so I'm going to give you a few examples. So when you're leasing, the difference is after you finish paying off a certain amount. So let's say you are leasing for 3 years. After 3 years, you have to return your car. So return your car after lease to dealership after lease, right? So that's a difference. You do not do that. Dealership after lease. You do not have to do that if you are financing. After, let's say you are financing it for 3 years. After you finish financing your loan or financing the car, you own the car after blank years. Okay, so that's a difference. That is a difference. Okay, so now in the middle is what they have in common. So no matter if you're leasing or financing, you always are going to have a monthly payment. Yes, the price might be different depending on how much, the car costs, all that good stuff, but you are still putting a monthly payment. No matter what, leasing or financing, you have to have insurance. You have to pay for gas, etc. Right? So remember, you have to fill out 10 boxes. Doesn't matter which order. I gave you, 14 in total, but you can choose your 10 from anywhere. All right? Page 3. Page 3 is exactly the same as project 3, page 1. So if you want to copy and paste your page 1 from project 3 into here, that's completely fine. You want to do it again, by all means go for it. That's really up to you.